Hello everybody. Welcome to the very busy crew. I know some of you have been here, but yeah, we're gonna go sledding. If you're new, please consider to like and subscribe. So we are here in the sledding place. No, it's called Tobogganing Hill. We're walking to the sledding. Yeah, up there. Yeah, yeah. I was supposed to say we're going hiking and sledding and walking with our friends, and so we're the first one here. So we're gonna walk here. I have no idea what I'm doing. I guess I'm running. Yeah. Okay, you saw the bridge from my dad. My little buzzer EJ is following me, but he can't run that fast. He's like few minutes below me, so still running. That's all the trees there. Wow, that's not me. Oh yeah, that's not me. Enzo's like that one, so it's not me. There's yeah, I think we're the one there's yeah. So, oh god, is that me? Oh, never mind. That's Enzo. Yeah, that tree is Enzo. Wait, that looks like me, bro. Okay, yeah, that has to be me. That literally has to be me, flipping and flying. Okay then. So let's keep going. So I'm walking again, trying to restore it because I flew like the wind, and now my dad is pulling EJ that they could fly like the wind again. So here's Enzo. God. Okay, that's really weird. He's jumping up and down. He's literally jumping up and down on a sled. And my dad is literally doing nothing. So that's me. Yeah. I'm riding on the wrong side. I'm just gonna get bumped by the hills. So yeah, well, just watch me go to heaven now. Ooh, yay! This is really cool. Yeah, this is better. You know why I'm not tripping? Here's a fact. Enzo kept falling because he wasn't holding tight.
Yeah, you did great in here, bro.
Yeah. He wasn't holding tight, but at least he was still alive. So yeah. Yeah. The tip is you must hold tight so that you like don't fall.
You remember before when I tried it?
Yeah. Okay, now I'm walking up here. Yeah. Got it. Okay, what's Enzo doing? Is he so tired that he ran all the way to the sled boat? Okay then. Let's just watch us fall.
Go, bud.
In the sled.
Go.
Watch me fly at the godspeed of light. Okay, let's go. Wait, where am I? Wait, oh, let's go. Enzo's sliding. I bet he'll be jumping up and down. Yeah, he's jumping up and down. Yeah, that's really good. Oh, no, it's not good. Let's see. Oh my god, he's so far, man. Okay, it's my turn. It's my turn. Oh my god. This is so weird. I'd be like I'm gonna crash into Enzo. Oh my god, I crashed into him. Bro. I literally crashed into him, man. Oh my god. Okay then. Let's just keep going. So, let's see what's going on now. A bunch of people. Wait, let's see. Yeah, we're still walking up there together. No, we're not. Yeah. So we're just walking up there and we're like, God. Okay, let's just do it again. Yeah, let's just do it again. I swear to God, if I bump you again, then I'm gonna give you 100 Robux. I don't even have Robux, so yeah. I bet. Okay, let's go. Let's go at the speed of light. Yeah, it looks really good. It looks really good, man. Oh, I hope. Oh God, no! Please don't crash into me. No. Oh, good. Yeah, that's better. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, there's EJ. Yeah, he's smiling. He's like he's riding on a horse. Uh-oh.
Go on, bud!
Yeah!
Go!
Jacob! I said go! No, that's fine. Let me throw a snowball at you.
There you go.
Woo!
Oh,
He's
where is he?
no, he's turning, and then he's gonna go. He's too.
Come on over here!
Have you seen this video?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, this is different from the last one. This time, we have a few more friends. Before that, she called me a midget. Hey there, Jacob! Jacob,
Go.
stay there!
Go na.
I crashed into
Give me your stuff.
I'm gonna put this on.
Oh, wala na. Digma ka na. Okay, who's next?
Kiana, go. No, I go.
Aya, you wanna go? What's in there? Oh, it's okay. Hey guys! Hey guys! Say hi!
No! Oh, wow, bro, let's go! This is the best day ever!
Oh, that's good.
Yay! Wow!
Magising.
Yay!
Magising mo yung bear. No?
Yay!
Oh, Aya, say hi.
Hi. This is the best day ever!
Oh, wow.
Yay! Yay!
Guys, you're gonna scare.
What's wet?
You're gonna scare the bird.
Murder mystery too. There's literally no bear.
Ay, pwede doon.
There's a bird. There's a bird, a chickadee.
Where's the chickadee?
A chickadee went into there.
Oh.
Tree.
There. Small one.
Chickadee. I don't know. The chickadee.
Ganda. Oo. Ganda talaga, no? Pag nature, no?
Hanggang ano saan to?
Hanggang doon. May dulo yan din eh.
Ano yung jacket mo?
Jacket. Wala lang. Mainit kasi.
Ito gusto niya malalaking bird.
Oo, maganda ang claim na.
anyone has to like not say like bad things. So like he's like, oh, he's like W and then another one. What? Of the P. WPP. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You know what is meant by pipi?
That was secret word for something.
Guys, you know what is meant by pipi?
Of course not.
What is pipi?
That was our secret word, but then we changed it.
What is meant by pukiki?
Because it was good. No, it was supposed to stand for.
Oh.
Because we didn't want to say that. It meant something very bad.
What?
Why were you just saying?
Oh man, it's the end of the video, but like and subscribe. Let's sing our song. Chicken wing, hot dog, and bologna.